It's been a long time since Sakurako's turn. It's chapter 160 for the Sakurako fans, everyone out there. Good morning, good evening, afternoon, or good night. It's me, Life Jovial, aka Jovial Nintendo, just simply Jovial. And chapter 160 Sakurako, and please, please, no crossover. Well, let's dive on in, shall we? Oh, Sakurako sad. What could it be? What could it be though? What could it be? No, you don't. But oh, she's so cute. That's adorable. Oh yeah, I can talk freely now, unlike last chapter, which was filmed less than 10 hours ago. At least at the time of recording. But it will be different of the time of release. Yep, I knew it. He didn't get it. Disappointed face. Like, I mean, come on, really? What do you expect? Sakura takes direct damage. That's some direct damage given by Sakurako. Anything. What may that anything may be? Oh, Sly, that's Sly. That's so Sly. Oh, that's that's smooth. You smooth criminal. Since it's you. Aha. I might try saying that in real life one day, but I don't have a crush right now. How sad is my life? Nah. Don't make me jealous. That blushing face. Sakurako fans rejoice. My face hurts. I'm running over. Don't kill me yet. Don't kill me. Last chapter was heaven, now it's a heart attack. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Oh, my body's getting numb. Oh, my body's getting numb. I, let me try and move. When you realize it, you get to act fast, but Zack will get left behind. Oh my god. I really hate Nabi now. I can't give my afterthought about that. Oh my god. I'm literally now shaking, and I don't know. I don't know how long will that be not cut. I don't know if I will cut that, or since the turning point and up to now, I don't know if I will do it. I really hate Nog now. Like really, what just happened? Let's see the Discord. Let's see Discord. I don't know what happened now. I'm literally shaking. I'm shaking. My body's numb. I can't feel my body now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank you, Lord. For some progress. Thank you, Omoto Sensei, for some progress. Yes. Game. It's a name game. It's a name game, alright. Yeah, oh my god, yes, finally. Oh yeah, I will take that. Yes, Sakurako stands. I'm not though. I'm diehard Urushi, but I appreciate Sakurako though. And yeah, it's one of the good girls. And yes, it's been a while since her appearance, but god damn, a kiss! Her return, and she gave us a kiss. Oh my. Oh no. Oh my. That's from Harness Nosmos, and let's see the Yamamoto Hub. Oh my god. That was amazing. I mean, my body's shaking right now. I don't know if... What if Urushi and Ayumu confess to each other and something could happen? Like, what the heck will happen to my body right now? Like, will I die? Or will I be in a coma? Physical kiss, and even in Fudatsuki no Kyoko-chan, there was never a kiss of any sort. That was the first kiss of any Yamamoto works that I know of. None in Shibaki, none in Fudatsuki no Kyoko-chan, especially none in Takagi. And wow. Really, this is why Soredemo Ayumu Yosetekuru is better than Karajusu Tagi-san. Like, oh yeah, off screen is Takagi, but fully drawn on screen, yeah. Oh yeah. And the GT39 kid. Oh yeah, chapter 6 is great. Like, oh my. I don't care if this is a long video, but I have 30 minutes. That was shorter than I expected. But oh my god, I don't know if I will be editing the last part anymore, and I will leave some dull moments and just it's amazing. The first ever kiss in any motorwork. Just that's it for me today. See y'all next time. Peace and God bless y'all. I can't really